Let me sit here. After you just saw him. Really? I'm in a relationship. I've been in a relationship.
Boy.
You never broke up. The people that were in my life know I said I'm joking. But that screen record, if I catch you, bro. If I catch you. When are you doing your nails? Not anytime soon. Not anytime soon because my nails are fucking damaged. They are damaged.
Indeed.
Shut the fuck up.
So as long as you for.
Ha, baby. Sharp.
You're still gorgeous as
like,
fuck though, bro. You know
they're damaged.
Beyond compare.
Is that the one that's connected to the speaker?
Baby, ngiyadlala man. Hey, now. How?
Tell your stepdad, man. But are you on connected?
Or get delayed
I'm gonna say it
Can we
again.
go shoot TikTok?
Jesus says. Shout out to Jesus, bro.
Hey,
Will you ever get a tattoo? I want to, but I'm scared.
Don't be a bitch.
How humble? I want to, but I'm scared.
Uyangqosha? Mangifuna uconfirm ukuthi uyangqosha. Confirm ithi ham. Mina biba nankinga ngizosukuma ngishilo. Isho. Oh, kahle kahle ufuni ngihamba. Uyasihlanyisa. Sithando sakho. Azo nekhanda liqinile. Stubborn child. Hey babe. Umuhle. Yaba nengoba iyasho lengoma. I had gear. Can you shoot a TikTok, please?
Do you have a belly piercing? Yes. Did your parents chase you away? No.
Yes. What if you say? Suck food. Babe, please call your mom.
For what?
Yeah? Your mom said if you don't call her, you must go back home. You're not going back home. Call your mom, check how she's doing. Me, I'll call your mom.
Baby. Hey!
Mfonele.
Mfonele. Yeah, mfonele. Come Would you get a smiley piercing? I used to have it, but it wasn't primary. And I did it myself, by the way.
Okay, I'm gonna call her and tell her about Durban.
Call her.
What did I say for us?
I did it myself, and then I don't know what happened. I think my ball got lost, the other one, and then it just came out. I don't know.
Babe, wait, what was I saying?
But I don't want any piercings in my mouth.
Sis, yes, please don't do that.
Pimples, girl.
Baby, what's me?
When you phone my mom just for fun.
I'm telling her about Durban.
Tell her.
Must I say Durban?
Yes.
Okay, just don't take videos and pictures.
Are you mad? I miss your content on TikTok. Damn.
Yeah, you're inconsistent as fuck. It's actually pretty disgusting. There's this girl I crush on TikTok. Her name is Itss.thandooo, but I feel like her account, I feel like someone hacked her account because she doesn't post any. That girl's bad, bro. You must go check out her shit. Yo, she's bad, though. Yo, that hand. You.
I'll check her out.
Nah, boy. Thing is,
I don't have a vape collection.
That's
like, bro. I don't even have a vape at the moment.
I think your girlfriend is home now. Hey, Joe, you man. I'm very reasonable.
you see, boy, even Steven
Why don't you post much on TikTok anymore? I don't know, man. I don't know. Like, honestly, like, I really don't know. I just don't fuck with it like I used to no more. I should change. Panda hyping up his girl as she... It's an everyday thing, by the way.
That's your ex, bro.
Naga upand. Inkinga manje imnaga uzokhuluma izinto ezi offside. Ngantu ufaka kulo nobani. Make sure you go to Clicks. I'll see a dermatologist for your face here. Yeah, I should. Because like these pimples like getting me pantsy. He's sitting on the floor. Yeah. Yes. I am because there's nice lighting here. How many months have you been dating, Panda? It's only been a month. Started dating on the 2nd of August. So it's been a month. Do you bring Ibele to the table? No, I don't. I bring Ispongo to the table. I told you. I don't. Yo! Like, it even made a sound. Then this nigga watches my live. Have you ever gave top? What's that? What's that? You need top. You need top. Would it be acceptable if your fancy you around and jumps on you and hug you like you do to Campilla? Yeah, I don't mind, but don't do it too much. There was this day where we went to baby.
You are blocked from texting, not from calling. Alhamdulillah, you have some.
We went to Bax's resort, and when we were about to leave,
baby,
I was tired as fuck, by the way. I was so tired. You know, I just wanted to go back home. Then this friend came running to me, and she literally jumped to hug me, and she hugged me so fucking tight. Like, I couldn't even breathe. I had to push her away, and I got mad. Then she started crying. Then I felt bad. If you're out there, I'm sorry, but just don't do that. Like, I might even, if you do that and you catch me on a bad day, I might even beat you up.
Hey,
Might.
you're not allowed to hug male supporters.
Yay! I'm not allowed to hug male supporters.
Yeah.
Why?
I get my heart.
Okay, same goes to you then. Alright?
Nah, but that's
Say, same goes to you. No.
Think about it like this. Your fan base is mostly females. I'm assuming.
It is.
Same here. So like, you're basically telling me to buy his life.
Hi, Baba. You have changed your personality. How? Top is giving head. Damn. You hot. Thank you. Hey, Tana, would you get a tattoo? I want to, bro. Like, I've been saying I'm gonna get a tattoo. And I've been setting, like, appointments. but I don't pull up. I don't know why. I'm scared. Like, I want to, but I'm scared.
Boy,
Boy.
do you have a filter?
Yes.
Please give me one.
Let us see
I have
him.
a bunch. Are you guys ready?
He just left.
Shoot, bro.
Move bunch. Dog, how are you gonna shoot with filter?
No, you're gonna shoot with that car that's outside. None. You want?
Car? Why are you shooting?
Move the bunch.
You girl, Nintendo. Thank you.
I think I made that right, Nick.
Why don't you go on podcast chats? Why should I? Because I think you know what they're gonna ask me. Like, I don't wanna go. Baby, come on. Bazongibuza lawyer, bazongibuza in relationship, bazongibuza ngale drama beyenzeka. Like, I don't wanna go. And I won't. Because you know that your parents are gonna beat you.
Yeah? What?
I think you guys know that I have the coolest mom ever. Come here.
I'm doing things that are currently not of
Yeah, good. Hello, I just girl on TikTok lying. There's Ntabi, there's Buddy, there's a whole other girl. Yay! Not even close.
What's
Get a
it?
little bitchy because you're young. What do you mean?
Babe, we about to go this thing.
I'm coming.
True.
Yes, I should bitch.
Can you please sing the song? I don't know the lyrics. Is it true that you're pregnant? No, I'm not pregnant. I think you can see that. Okay, I do have a flat stomach. It won't show right now because I'm currently sitting down. I'm gonna stand up just to do it. See? See it? Thank you. I don't have flat stomach. I mean, I don't have a baby. What the fuck? Bariki father and daughter. Like, Mina, guys, I'm just like. You guys should know it by now because I don't give a shit about what other people say. Honestly, you should know because I don't give a shit. I don't give a flying fuck. There's a difference. They know me. I don't know them. You check. So like, Then I did expect it. Honestly speaking, Gucci, when our relationship went public, we gonna receive comments like that. You know? I expected it. So that's why I can't be as much, you know? So like why did you just do that?
Because you said I was coming here.
Yeah, Mara, like, why did you slide here?
I was about to say something, yeah? But it's not life friendly. Murbanj.
Give me my 4K badge. Evan! What 4K?
Did they throw?
Send me proof. and screenshots. Don't fuck with me.
Thanda uskema abantu.
I'm going to take you this again, dad.
Jolo mistake uzokulungisa. Nawe bamenze level last time maskema umuntu.
I'm scared of that.
Angazi unendaba mina nolebo.
What did he say?
She's media.
You know now. See now, Mina, I'm in trouble because of you.
Voila.
I don't find you funny, bro. I really don't.
Babe, I swear. Babe, you know without this forehead you'd be a skull. Like, it would be tough.
He already got my...
Look at you now, bro. You are 12 out of 10. 13 when you do your makeups and stuff. Nah. With makeup on, you're a 10. When you're naturally like a 12. Like now. Look at this hand, bro. Look at this hand. Look at your skin. Look at this hand. That's the hand I was telling you about. This is my crush. She used to shoot TikTok videos back when the TikTok was active.
Are they already there?
You've probably blocked more people than followers I have.
No.
You're so
It's on
crazy.
4K.
I think that's bad.
Naked, it doesn't.
Ngaba ngoma Ed Sheeran.
Ah.
See when Zed had.
Who's one? Who's this nigga?
Ilomi Khalid. Ndoda emnyama. His name is Khalid, bro. Mandzulela. Uthole nose ring yakho ngoba beyingekho. Angibole.
Ah, baby, ma.
Ngiboleke.
Ufuna uyifaka? Uthanda ukungihlupha nje ayikho yakho ufuna ukuyifaka phi?
Ungishayelani?
Le drama sis.
Uyahlanya. Fuse.
If possible, would you marry Panda? If possible.
What does if possible mean? Someone said I'm a 1 out of 10.
Minus. I wanna write my homework, but she's still alive. Hi, boo.
Baby. Joe. Oh.
Oh.
Why would you? Oh. People phone on your phone, yeah, more phone. Like.
Ngoba awungiphi phone yakho nje kanjani? Ngoba siku live yayitha nje.
Don't try to make it sound like that when your whole face is on my phone.
It's not. Oh. My face ID.
Check.
Yes, bro, let that body with Chris Brown.
You still have your belly piercing. Yeah.
Dramatic Chris Breeze.
Tando, you still doing school tours? If you are, you're gonna do them with Panda and Lego and Paris.
Let's shoot,
Yes.
The Q&A.
Yo. As umubuzo kaFarouk nje hayi. The man looks old. He is.
I am what?
You want to madrasa?
Smile, hello. Do you know that Panda has a dimple? Smile.
Why is dimple such a
Smile.
big deal, bro?
Smile.
Why is it such a big deal?
It's rare.
Nah, I was here.
Yazi,
Basho.
le one le abayibiza ngo
I'll see you. Basho ngqala ngizokubona.
Unjibani lo mntana?
Uba
Lo bekazana lo.
Malik.
Lo mntana lo uhlala lana man.
Malik. Lo ngathi ubezi so.
Hayi man. Lo wesitabani. Unjibani? Guys, mina we are about to shoot the Q&A right now, so I'm gonna see you guys when I'm done shooting. I'm gonna come back and go live. You look cute. Can you see the fit? You can. Like it's just